Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, northeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, western Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:22 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Gwinnett to Madison, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, emergency management. Trees and power lines were reported down in the Sauk City area with this storm.
Oh no.
Impact, expect damage to roofs.
Yeah, oh God, that's right.
Trees. Locations impacted include Sun Prairie, Beaver Dam, Waunakee, Windsor, Columbus, DeForest, Gwinnett, Partyville, Randolph, Fall River, Rio, Cambria, Fox Lake, Arlington, Waukena, Reesville, Otsego, Richwood, Kleiman, and Friesland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.